I tried making money using AI for a full day just to see if it actually works for beginners. And honestly, the results were not what I expected. In this video, I'm going to show you everything step by step, what I did, which tools I used, what worked, what didn't, and whether you can actually make money using AI. So let's start from the beginning. Like most beginners, I had one simple goal: make at least $10 using AI. Not $100, not $1,000, just $10. Because if $10 is possible, then scaling becomes easier. So I decided to use one of the most popular AI tools, ChatGPT. The idea was simple. Instead of doing all the work myself, I would use AI to complete tasks faster and offer those services online. So my first step was research. I went to Fiverr and started searching for simple services. Things like Instagram captions, product descriptions, short blog posts, and YouTube scripts. And something interesting caught my attention. People were charging between $5 to $20 for very simple tasks. Some gigs even had hundreds of reviews, which means people are actually buying these services. And that's when I realized this might actually work. So I moved to the next step, testing the AI. I opened ChatGPT and gave it a simple task. I typed, "Write 5 engaging Instagram captions for a fitness brand." And within seconds, it generated content. Not just random text but actually good quality captions. Clean, engaging, and usable. Honestly, I was surprised. But I didn't stop there. I tried different prompts, product descriptions, short articles, even YouTube scripts. And every time, the AI delivered something usable. So now I had confidence. Next step, creating my own gig. I went back to Fiverr and created a simple gig. I kept everything basic: a clear title, simple description, and a clean thumbnail. And most importantly, I kept the price low, because as a beginner, getting your first order is more important than making profit. Once everything was set up, I published the gig. And then, I waited. This is where reality hits. The first few hours, nothing. No clicks, no impressions, no messages. It felt like nothing was happening. And this is the point where most beginners quit. But I decided to wait longer. After some time, I started seeing small changes. A few impressions, then a couple of clicks, and finally, a message. It wasn't an order yet, but it was proof. Proof that people were actually seeing my gig. At that moment, I realized something important. This method works but not instantly. You need patience. You need consistency. Even though I didn't hit the full $10 target in one day, I saw real potential. Because once you start getting orders, you can repeat the process. And since AI is doing most of the work, you can complete tasks faster and scale your income. So here's the honest truth. AI can help you make money, but it's not magic. You still need to take action. You need to create gigs, improve your services, and stay consistent. The advantage is, AI makes everything easier. It saves time, it reduces effort, and it allows beginners to start without advanced skills. If you keep improving, this can turn into a real online income stream. So if you're thinking about starting, this is your sign. Start small, start simple, and grow from there. If you want more real experiments like this and simple ways to make money using AI, make sure to subscribe to Digital Profit Hub and start building your digital income today.